Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, we are continuing the Monday grind. But listen people, don't leave before the party's over, because at the end of the video, we got a bonus watch face for you all to check out that's free for the taking as well. Cool? So with that being said, this is a nice watch face by this developer. He goes by the name of Express Moments. I'm thinking he's doing a phenomenal job on these watch faces. I'm giving the guy 3 thumbs up in the door for the look and the design of this watch face. He really did a great job. So let's take a look at it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Juice One. That's right, Juice One. And in the AOD mode, it's going to be in a dark theme, which is going to look nice. It's going to have a slight elegant look to it. Now, when the watch face is on, I like this analog design. I like the layout of the information. It definitely stands out. A watch face that you can wear super casual and or dress up as well. So let's take a look at it. Up at the top, you are going to get your step status info. I thought the information could have been a little bit bigger, but definitely it's not a deal breaker considering that the watch face is free. You will get your heart rate information, your step information, and your step goal completed with that little meter right there, which I thought was definitely a nice touch. And you're going to get your calories burned on the other side. You will get the best of both worlds because you get a digital time as well as the analog. And I do like the unique hands on this analog watch face as well. Looks really nice. And you get a traditional date info right here. Now down at the bottom, I like to look at this. I like the pump so far as your battery percentage is concerned. It does look nice and unique, but the analog theme really looks nice. The watch face does stand out. I do like the background theme so far as the color is concerned. So the developer did a really good job on this one, and he added shortcuts to it. Remember people, this watch face is free, but if you look at it really good, it looks like it's supposed to be a paid watch face hit there, right? But you get all these shortcuts that you could tap into at will with no problem. And you can change the color theme of the watch face. Just double tap and you can change it to many different colors depending on which one you want to choose. All the colors are nice as well. They stand out. They're bold in color. But yeah, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. But don't go nowhere because we have a bonus watch face for you all to check out. Okay, you all, this is the bonus watch face. This one is coming from MD. It's a very nice looking retro watch face. It's going to be free all the way up into the 6th, so you got to make sure you get your download on. Cool? Now, the name of the watch face is called MD112 Premium Digital Retro. It's a nice looking retro watch face, and what I like about this watch face most of all, people, is that every single piece of information is legible. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face. In the AOD mode, I like the theme that it's in. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you will be able to see all your information at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, again, very legible. At the top, you're going to get info on your calories burned. You're going to get info on your heart rate information. You come down, you will get battery info, your month, the day of the week. You get a nice moon phase that's dead center, and you're going to get your date. Now, you will get a nice big bold legible digital time, which is cool. Right up under that, you will get your step information and calories burned. You also get gear wearables. I do like that look so far as the retro watch face is concerned, right? And you can go into your music, you can go into your phone, you can go into your weather at a single tap, and on the other side, people, you can go into your messages. I thought that was super slick. So all in all, for a retro watch face, I thought MD did an excellent job on what a retro watch face looked like back in the 80s, right? So let's do this, right? Let's check this out, because we can double tap and we can customize the color theme of this watch face, right? Not bad. You get up to 17 different colors, which mean that you can color coordinate with pretty much anything that you have on for the day. Just simply keep double tapping and cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. I thought MD did an excellent job with this one, so don't miss out, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.